Hello guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you a quick way to fix something like this. you know when you try to transfer this character to Blender from CC4, character creator 4. So in CC4, as you can see, is not happening. Everything is well placed in CC4, but when you come to when you export it to Blender, I had this issue. So as you can see, the skin is coming out from the cloth. So when you have issues like this, there are actually two ways to fix this, which I'm going to show you in this video. But for me, I prefer this method. Yeah, anyway, you can choose any one you prefer. This is kind of the longer method, so I'm going to use sculpting. I'm going to use the inflate brush to adjust inflate this mesh so it can pop out from the skin of the character. So if I click Ctrl Tab, go to sculpt mode, choose the inflate brush. This is the inflate brush. Then I can start to work on this just like this. As you can see, so that's it. Yeah, that fixed the problem. So I click Ctrl Tab again and now go back to object mode. So this is pretty much it, and no issue again. So that's pretty much done, but the skin might be popping out again when this character tries to move. But let's see what we can. That's another issue you might face when you use the sculpting method. So let us see. Yeah, see that, see, there's another problem. So you might have to yeah, let's just try sculpt again, inflate it more. Let us see what we are going to get. So this is the disadvantage of using the sculpting. You have to keep manually adjusting it. You have to keep manually adjusting it until there's no more issue when the character deforms. So yeah, you might have to, yeah, I think, yeah, that will work. Yeah, I think so. So let's see. Yeah, okay, I think it's working well. Okay, that was a glitch. Okay, well, I think, yeah, Yeah, so in case if you have a different uh, animation and your character deforms in a certain way, you can yeah, freeze it and come and inflate it, that part. So that's for the sculpting mode. So I'm going to show you another way. I think that's the easiest way, maybe probably the best way, less stress and everything. So that's that's it for the sculpting. So another method to fix this, to not come across this issue is, you can go when you're exporting from your character creator, you can go to the settings when you try to export FBX. Let's go to our character, then come here, let's pick Blender. The main issue is you click on this one, delete inside faces. So when you check on this one, the what will happen is that the skin that is under the clothes will be, you know will be vacant, like it will just be not be there. The surface will just remove itself, leaving only the clothes. So let us see what we have if we export. Let us just export only the mesh. Yeah, clicking hidden faces, export. Let's pick a name, just uh, any name. Let's say CC4 character. Let's just say CC4 character. Alright, so let's come to Blender. Alright, let's just delete these ones. Press A, delete, and then come to import FBX. Let's look for our character. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so here is it. Then import for a while. Okay, now as you can see, it's not there. So what is this doing? Like if you click here, you see there is space here. See, this is skin, so there is space. So if I click H to hide this, as you can see, that's what the delete face works, this option. So that's pretty much how to fix something like this. Yeah, delete hidden faces, that's how it works. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you I'm going to be releasing more videos, and I'm still working on my second short film after the first one, on dead, the beginning of the end. So I released the first part, like days ago. So I'm working on the second part. It's a storyline that I feel passionate about, that I need to continue telling. Alright guys, yeah, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.